Welcome to PEH 171, Section 301, which is a Healthy Lifestyles in You online course for the summer session of 2016. I am your instructor, David Opon. I've been teaching this course since 2005, and it's an exciting course. I think you'll enjoy the content that we have in here. So this is just going to be a quick little video to go through some of the key elements of the course and help you navigate it better. What you see on your page right now is the announcement page. This is where I will put announcements. This first one you can see where I have our due date set up for the course. I found that students do better when I set up due dates. So you can see that I have the lessons are set up and specific due dates all at 11:59 p.m. The closing time. What you'll see with this course is that the way it's structured, I have the course is set up into topics and assignments, and you'll see this as I go through the navigation in just a moment. So the announcements page will be here. This will be your default page. When you look at some of the other things over here, we have our Blackboard help desk, which you click on it will open up to a separate link. This is a good one for you to be able to get to and to be able to view if you have questions about Blackboard. You'll also see here I have the course syllabus. So the course syllabus, I've set up things both in the PDF and a Word document. So when you open these, they will come up in a separate window for you. Here is the syllabus in PDF form. The syllabus is just going to give you some basic guidelines. The key that you're going to want to have is the information that's in the actual online topics and assignments. But you can see I have my numbers over here, my information, my text numbers. You'll also see some of the different guidelines in here. So a lot of information, but just some general things that you'll be going over. The other part that you'll see as we go over here, I'm going to give you my quick little bit about me, but here's my number. Feel free to text me or call me on the cell number if you need to. I know that a lot happens in a 17-week course and also in an 8-week condensed summer course. So we know the syllabus. If you look over here in this tag link over here on this left side, you'll see our topics and assignments. So here is how the course is set up. There are 9 topic areas. So you're going to look at them as topic areas. You can think of them as modules. Often you'll see things referred to as modules in online learning. What you're going to do is for topic 1, you'll click in and you will see 2 assignments in here. Assignment 1 and assignment 2. And they link with that topic area. So I have the assignment set up, again, both in a Word and a PDF file in it. And then there's a homework submission. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the assignment. It will open up, like I say, in a separate window, and it has all the instructions for you for what you need to do. So I have some information here, and then you're going to see the course and competencies, what you should get out of it. And then the tasks here. These are the things that you are going to actually begin to look over as will become your homework for the course. So you're going to have what you should be reading, and in this one you're going to be evaluating yourself on the different wellness components. So this course is based on 6 wellness components. You're going to read through, and for this assignment you're going to give yourself a grade in each one, A, B, C, D, F, whatever you feel, and supporting information on why you gave yourself that grade. You also have some things that you can use to help you. The labs are there to help you form what you want to put into this particular assignment. And then what you're going to do is also look at obstacles and times that you're motivated. The goal here is to look at things that are going to help you be successful with future behavioral changes. Then I have a couple of websites to look at, and here you're just going to do critiques within your assignment. What did you think of the website? Was it beneficial? Was it helpful to you? Did you not like it? The rubric here is just a general guideline on what you need to do, and then I have some of the other information. So you will see that all the assignments function the same way. In assignment number 2, you'll see the same basic format, what you're going to do, some websites to look at, and what your homework is. So your homework is what you are going to actually be submitting. When you submit a homework, you're going to go to the homework assignment, and you're going to then have it in a Word file. You can use Pages. I cannot have anything that have a WPS extension to it. Those will not open, but you're just going to go to browse your computer, find your file, and submit it. And what's going to happen when you submit that, it's going to come to me, and it is going to go into an area for me to grade. And I will post the grades as quickly as possibly as I can. So here's our topics. I'll show you the grade board in a little bit. So for example, when we get into some of these other assignments in here, for assignment assignment 8, for example, you're going to go into assignment 8, and it's going to have you doing things and also have some in-home activities. You're going to do things that you're going to experience and then write about what you experienced in that particular assignment. In other topics, you're going to go and find a discussion board that you're going to have to. For example, here is assignment 6. And in assignment 6, you're going to see a discussion board. And this is going to take you to a discussion board where you're, right now it has no items in it. I will be putting a lead question in there for you. But the discussion boards, this is what they will look like. Here's your discussion boards, and there's 6 of them, and you're going to be making posts in there. So you'll see the information within the assignment. I will give you a lead question in there, and then you're going to talk with your fellow classmates. It's hard in online learning to be able to connect people that quite the same way. So we're going to try to get a little bit of a sense of community here as we go along. So as you look through this, we have our 9 different topic areas, and then each one of them has at least 1 to 3 assignments. Some of them will have only 1 assignment. Nutrition is a little bit bigger assignment. You'll be tracking your meals. When you have a tracking assignment, so for example, I have a tracking assignment for flexibility. You are going to go and look at this assignment on flexibility, and you are going to track for 5 days exercises that are in the book. What I want to see is a day-by-day tracking. I don't want to see really a summary. I want to see you almost like a little bit of a journal. So put that information into it. You'll see that for a couple of the different tracking assignments that we have. So please make sure you're following things in that way so you can see progress. That's part of what we're hoping to see here in this class. This is really all about you and what you will end up hopefully taking out of this course. I do have all the PowerPoints for all of the Get Fit, Stay Well PowerPoints listed here, so you can get to those. I have access to the midterm and the final exam. These both are open and assignments that you can open, save, and reopen. So I would take advantage of them. The midterm and the final exams are here on the schedule, and so I will have due dates for those. But again, they're pretty flexible, and go from there. Is a grade center. I will receive grades here when you submit them, and then you'll be able to go to the area that says My Grades, which is up at the top of the menu bar. And I will try to get your grades submitted. And once you submit them, I'll try to get them back to you. Hopefully I can get them within 24 hours graded. I will provide feedback in the feedback section of the grading area, and give you a chance to see where what kind of stuff that I'm looking at and trying to help you with. One last thing is there's an extra credit, 15-point extra credits sleep diary. This is something you can start. I'm looking for you to track your sleep patterns for 5 days. This will give you a little bit of a cushion for points. Now remember, this class is a total of 800 points. Now that may seem a lot, but the bulk of it is coming from all of these different assignments in the topic areas. Once you hit 720 points, however you get there, you will have earned an A. That means if you have 720 points and you don't want to take the final exam, that's fine. You also have the option of possibly not doing certain assignments. I do have one assignment in here that some people might have some questions with. In the disease prevention one, we're going to have one called Creating a Family Health History. And that is creating family health history. You're going to track your family's health history. So you're going to look at all the diseases, conditions that your family may have had. And so I have some references to some different genealogy. It's kind of like genealogy, but it's for health. One of the things that you also see in here, I have this PDF, the genogram or family health history. And what you're going to do, now I'm not expecting you to be able to come to this, necessarily this file online. So you can do it linear. But what you're going to do is you're going to place yourself at the center, and then you're going to put in any connections. If you have children, you put them below you. And then you're going to put family members, brothers, siblings, parents, significant aunts and uncles. Eventually, what the goal is, you'll have something that will look like this. And this is a complete family health history that shows when people had different illnesses, conditions, when they passed, miscarriages. The goal here is that you're putting this together to see what you are potentially at risk for. So this is a great one that you can continue to build on as you move along through life. And if you have children, it's something that you can pass along on to them. You'll also see some of the assignments will have some videos to look at. For example, in assignment on stress, assignment 11, there's one on rethinking stress that Dr. Kelly McGonigal did. It's a really cool little video. Gets you to think maybe as how you might want to perceive stress in the future. All in all, I hope you have a great class. Again, it's a short 8-week period, but by all means, if you feel the need to, contact me by email or feel free to give me a text. Have fun, and hopefully you'll take something valuable out of this course.